Carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is an air pollutant resulting from the incomplete combustion of organic compounds like fuels in industrial cities. It is in fact poisonous since it interferes with the oxygen carrying system of blood. Laboratory preparation. Reducing carbon dioxide by passing it through red-hot carbon. Fill a silica combustion tube with pieces of charcoal. Set the apparatus as shown in the diagram below. Heat it until it is red hot. Pass a stream of carbon dioxide over the charcoal. The carbon monoxide produced is passed through concentrated sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide to remove any unchanged carbon dioxide. The purified carbon monoxide is then collected over water since it is insoluble in water. Another method of producing carbon monoxide is by the dehydration of methanoic acid or ethanoic acid, that is oxalic acid. Add methanoic acid. Take care, it is very corrosive. Add concentrated sulfuric acid. The reaction occurs at once. Collect the gas over water. For oxalic acid, gentle heating is required, and the carbon dioxide is removed by passing the gases through concentrated potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide. Note, the concentrated sulfuric acid plays the role of a dehydrating agent, that is, removes water.